Can this be the best pocket camera in 2026, maybe even into 2027? Today, this is the first look of the Insta360 Luna Ultra dual lens pocket camera that can shoot 8K 30 frames per second. And this might just very well be the perfect vlogging camera. Its main lens is going to be a 20mm equivalent, and the second lens is a 60mm. You can go with 3 times optical zoom on this, 6 times lossless, or 12 times digital zoom, which is fantastic. Right now I'm shooting at 4K 30 frames per second, and let's go to 8K just to see what it looks like. And now this is 8K 30 frames per second on the Insta360 Luna Ultra. 14 stops at dynamic range. If you're shooting an iLog, right now I've got it in the standard picture profile. The audio that you're listening to is actually coming from the Insta360 Mic Pro kit that comes with the creator bundle, and I'll put a link down in the description below so that you guys can check it out for yourself. But yeah, is this going to be the pocket camera? I'm not going to say that it's the best yet, and I'm not going to even talk about the DJI Pocket 4P. Why? Because this is the United States. We can't get any DJI products here. But Extra will be releasing the Muse 2 and also the Muse 2 Pro. And yes, it is very windy out here today, but got a dead cat on the mic, so that should help tremendously. But the Muse 2 Pro, it also has dual lenses. But until I get that in my hands, right now, this first look of the Insta360 Luna Ultra, I can tell you this thing has been fantastic to use. Now, will I be doing more testing? Sure I will, but let's look at this inside of a studio situation and see how it performs. So here we are with the Insta360 Luna Ultra, the Extra Muse, and the DJI Pocket 3. Now this is in a studio setting, just so you can see what it looks like as far as what it would be compared to with my Sony, what am I using? The Sony a7 IV, and I'll put up that clip just so you can see the difference of the a7 IV versus these 3 cameras. So can the Luna Ultra be used as a studio camera? Well, I've got it in 4K 30 frames per second along with the Muse and also with the DJI Pocket 3. So it's just really interesting because I'm looking at the screen and I do see a little bit of color difference and brightness between all 3 of these, but I'm really interested to see how are they going to do as far as their noise reduction. I've got everything set to auto, so the shutter speed, white balance, all of that is all set to auto on these. I do have auto tracking on right now, so I can kind of move around the studio setting and they will kind of follow and track along with me. So yeah, the Insta360 Luna Ultra, is it a good camera? I tell you, so far that I've been using this, I've been super impressed with it. But is it something that will replace the DJI Pocket 3? Because the DJI Pocket 3 actually works really well in a scenario like this, and so does the Extra Muse, but then again, the Extra Muse is like a DJI Pocket 3. So is this my final review of the Insta360 Luna Ultra? No, it's not. This is just a quick little first look so I can show you a little bit of iLog, what the 8K looks like, how it looked in a studio setting compared to the DJI Pocket 3, and also to the Extra Muse inside of a studio setting. But yeah, a lot more testing to do with this camera, and of course I'll do a comparison with the Extra Muse 2 Pro whenever it comes in. But in the meantime, yeah, this might just be the best pocket camera available today in 2026, July that is. And is it just for vlogging? No, I think it can actually be used for some cinematic videos. That's coming out.